Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the shutter to the tunnel in LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. So basically what you'll need to do is just shoot first of all right here, and after that just go and use your grappler. So just aim it and shoot it right here again. You'll see this animation. After that you'll need to jump down and do the parkour right here. Okay, I will stand right here now, just change to Gordon and basically do same parkour. Okay, now use the gun and gun it up these gears. Okay, switch to Batman, shoot it right here. And now you'll see that the last target is now open, so just go back right here and just shoot it. And you'll see that should open up. So, if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.